POV you run a marathon in winter. I was not expecting snow, but the vibes were immaculate. At Blackburn Rovers Stadium, little group warm-up before the start. And it was time to go gaga. I was trying to keep pace and focus on breathing.
It's way too cold, guys. Oh my days.
2 kilometers down, and I was starting to get the hang of it.
Let's go.
5 kilometers completed. We ran all through town. It was weird seeing all the cars stopped.
7 kilometers completed. Super sod passing by. 9 kilometers completed.
Let's go.
That's it. That is it. Come on.
Last 500 meters left. I had no energy. And across the line.
Well, then to Ryan, Zabia, Amanda.
The marathon complete. Let's go. Blackburn Rovers Stadium 2023.